My husband Chris and his 3 older brothers grew up in Connecticut in the 1960s and 70s. Chris's mother, Evelyn, still lives in the same house, and it remains the central location for family gatherings and celebrations. On our way out at the end of a visit with her last winter, we spotted an old box in the coat closet. It was filled with hundreds of Kodak 35mm slides of the family dating from the 1950s to the 1970s.
When I was a kid, my father would occasionally gather the family for a slideshow to view these images. Soon after, slides became less popular and no one had seen these images since.
With Evelyn's birthday approaching, we had just found the perfect gift. The images would be given new life in a photo book, but we had to take the box without her noticing. Back in our home office, we got to work organizing and scanning the slides. Once digitized, we began the editing process, selecting our favorite 80 images for the book. We color corrected and cleaned up the files using Lightroom and Photoshop. It was amazing to see these images enlarged on our computer screen.
It's been 10 years since my father passed away, so the timing of this gift was especially poignant. Many of the images either featured him or were taken by him.
Once scanned and organized, creating the book was easy. We decided on a classic, simple design, black backgrounds, and a dark blue linen hardcover with the title in silver ink. Evelyn's birthday arrived, and we were prepared with the gift. Upon opening it, after seeing just a few of the photos, she was deeply moved. As we sat with her, she took in every page, pausing on each photograph. Later that day, with the rest of the family there to celebrate, the photo book quickly became the focal point. Everyone loved the book and wanted a copy. I can't think of a better way to give new life to forgotten photos. It's safe to say no one would have ever seen these images again had we not digitized them, and a photo book was the perfect vehicle. Since my business includes designing photo books for clients, I can honestly say the process and final product is always so deeply satisfying. I strongly encourage others to do the same with their images. With hundreds of images in this collection alone, we have the makings of a new family tradition. Evelyn had also forgotten these images existed and expressed what a wonderful gift it is to have them back in our lives.